Good morning. Oh, it got up in my lap. I'm going to check my blood sugar. It thunder and lightning woke me up. It's 4 o'clock. About 3:30 it woke me up. Pups wanted outside or he wouldn't go. They stayed on the porch. At least they did for 30 seconds after they got outside. And then they wanted back in a real hurry. Well, I figured as much. I don't know how long it's supposed to rain all day, but we'll figure it out. See, I got some blood. 1:55. No wonder you're up raising hell this morning, Ori. Leave your feet alone. Hey, I don't care. Ori, I don't care. You gotta mind me too. I think he's mad at Big Boy. They all had a treat. Now he's gonna go bully his son. Nope, he's gonna stay right there on the arm. I think they both try to outdo one another. Father and son, huh? Okay. Big Boy has learned my sugar routine. And boy, oh, don't you fall off this damn chair. He's not ready to give up his routine yet. Nope, he said, I'm boss about this. I've been trained. Yeah, you've trained little Big Boy though. And Big Boy says, I'll take over. Little guy's too much into himself, and so is Baby Girl. Baby Girl's just a baby. She went and found her a great big old bone. She went and hid it. I bought him some chew bones the other day, cow bones or whatever you want to call them. And they're having a blast with them. Of course, I bought them one apiece. Now they're both look like a damn boneyard or graveyard. You can get them cheap at Walmart. I wanted to buy one of them great big ones about that long. About 3 foot long to see what they do with it. Crazy ass. Said it'd be so big they couldn't carry it. They quit. The pups got where they didn't care too much anymore. And even Missouri, Baby Girl, she's a vicious old thing. She likes to chew on dead carcasses. She's a full-blood mini pen. Half Chihuahuas, they don't half mini pens. One of them takes after their daddy and one takes after their mama. Or he's a full-blood Chihuahua. Wasn't for that vet, I wouldn't have had no pups. That's for sure. Oh well, I got them now. Well, that was a meal in itself. I don't have to worry about it no more today. I don't take my medicine once a day. I'm supposed to space it out, but hell with it, I forget. I just take it once a day. Guess I can get one of the machines that's supposed to dispense it to me. go into a nursing home. That's what they want to do. They come around every 2 or 3 hours and do your vitals, and it's this machine. They don't even do your damn vitals like they're supposed to. This dog does pay more attention to your vitals than they do. It's that right away. He loves his daddy. Yes, he do. Chihuahuas are one-person dog, and so is mini pins. But Chihuahuas really are. They're one person's dog. So if you're two people in a family, don't be surprised they just hook up with one person. They tolerate the other person, but they don't ever bond with but one person. They're right away. If there's only one person in this house, he'd land upon this little pillow thing. My dogs. If it wasn't for them. Yes, I'm a good baby boy. Well, I can't go outside today, so I cleaned out all these clothes. All that's left over there is in boxes of solar panels that I was going to go get the rest of them today and stack them in there to them. I have 37 panels, I guess. I used some of them. I used 6. So I got 34 left. Yeah, boxes. 34 panels. I don't have any boxes. I'm telling you, I ain't too stirry this morning. They're chewing on the bones. Yes, you don't have to go over there and see what they're doing. You just stay here with Daddy. You get less trouble. You and Big Boy fight. And you're so stubborn you won't give up, even though Big Boy's twice your size. Yes, him good baby boy. He loves to be petted this morning. I'm going to have to spend more time with him since he's getting old. His arthritis is probably bothering him too because of this wet dampness. Every time I plant something outside, I was going to get the... I guess I could clean up my table back there and put my sewing machines on it. It's full of paintings. One of them are frames for paintings, one or the other. And one of them do with all that shit. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Could sit around and paint all day. I got the crappy shirt on for it. Yeah, you should see this dog. Yeah, sitting laying on his back, wanted me to rub his little chest. Yeah. Chris come by yesterday. He came back from the laundromat. I said, well, hell, you can wash him down here. And he said, no, he had to go pay car insurance and some other stuff. So he drives 100 miles to go do his laundry. I need to buy me a dryer, but I'm too damn lazy to move a bunch of shit to get it in there. So I don't have that much laundry. One load a week, hell. In this house, hell, I could throw a load of clothes away a week and would never miss them. I know I got 200 or 300 t-shirts. Enough to last a year. So with pants and shorts, I'd be a little lacking on the underwear. I only go a couple of months without having, I'd run out of underwear. And that's changing every 3 days, so I'd probably run out of underwear. Oh well. I'm too old to go commando. He's a good buddy. I don't know. I'm rattling this morning. It's raining, thundering, lightning. All the good signs of a thunderstorm or a weather storm. Flash flooding warning. I know it's all out there. Look out the back door and see if it come up on the steps any. They lowered the dam, so I doubt if it ever does that again. At one time, it was like 4 steps from coming inside the house, but I wasn't worried about it. Because the other side, there's a levee there. I'm higher than the levee going to the other watershed, so it would have broke the land on the other side and went to the other watershed, because I'm on a hill. But it would have got close. Yes, it would have. It would have got down to probably 1 or 2 steps from coming in the house. We don't care. We don't care. I remember that song, High as the Water, Mama, 3 foot high to rise. All we got left is a homemade boat, and at the time I had a pontoon boat. We could have sailed out of here. Yeah, it was tied to the dock. We could have got on it and boogied with a motor and everything. I gave it away later. Gave it to the people down the street. They didn't want the damn thing. We didn't need no party boat, did we, Ori? No, we didn't. It was in our way. It was obstructing our view to the lake. So we canned it. Yes, we did. I bought me a kayak instead. I bought him a life jacket. Yes, we did. We got life jackets, don't we? Me and you do. Rest of them I have to swim. He looks so damn funny in his life jacket. Chihuahuas are not good swimmers. They're not, yeah. What do you think I am? Some water spaniel? Said I ain't no good swimmer. He likes to run up and down the kayak, though. He won't be still on it. I had to put an outrigger on to keep it from turning us over. Enough about me and the dog, I guess. He's trying to get down. Are you going to get down, or are you going to get back up here with Daddy? Come on, get up here and lay down on the pillow. Come on. I'll move some of this wiring. There you go. Lay down. He wants to get over there with the rest of the pups, but they argue if he does, so... Baby girl, you can't swallow that whole damn bone now. You choked to death. Well, I guess I'll let you guys go this morning. Ain't much of a video. I'm waiting for the power to go off. Probably will. You guys take care. Have that great day, and remember, be kind and considerate to all living things. They're put here for us to enjoy, not abuse. That's right. They're put here for us to enjoy. What happens is going to happen to you dogs after I die? I guess you can't worry about it, can I? Think about it, Ori. I might outlive you. Talk to you guys later.